I discussed in concern with the substitution reaction in square planar complexes and also stereochemistry of the substitution reaction in square planar complexes. In this video, we discuss here mechanism for the substitution in square planar complexes. Mechanism for the substitution at the square planar complexes. Here, substitution reaction in platinum 2 square planar complexes are proceeds by SN2 limiting mechanism involving either the solvent or the entering ligand as a nucleophile एजेंट. यहाँ पे जो सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हम लोग स्टडी कर रहे इन कंसर्न द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द सब्स्टिट्यूशन एट स्क्वायर प्लानर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, ये प्लैटिनम प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लानर कॉम्प्लेक्स लेके एंड यहाँ पे जो सॉल्वेंट रहेगा या इनकमिंग न्यूक्लियोफाइल या इनकमिंग लिगैंड रहेगा एक्ट्स एज अ न्यूक्लियोफाइल एंड देयरफॉर देयर आर टू पाथवेज इन्वॉल्व्स द रिएक्शन. फर्स्ट, solvent path, also known as that is the Y means incoming nucleophile independent path, and second direct path that is the S incoming nucleophile is involved. Here you see two path. यहाँ पे हम लोग जो mechanism study करने वाले at the square planar complexes, यहाँ पे platinum plus 2 complex as a taken that is a square planar complexes and उसमें solvent and that is the incoming nucleophile, incoming ligand is taken as a nucleophile, and depending upon the solvent or that is the incoming nucleophile, there are two ways the substitution reaction is takes place in a square planar complexes. पहला है solvent pathway और दूसरा है direct reagent path. तो आप यहाँ पे देखिए in a first path that is a solvent path में क्या हो जाता है, here platinum complex ले लिया है, yes, यहाँ पे X is a living group है और X is a living group है, ये platinum in plus 2 state, then incoming that is the solvent molecule is attacked, then you will get the yes transition state is the trigonal, yes bipyramidal, and here you see coordination number is a 5, and after that X is loose from that complex, you will get solvent substituted that is a platinum complex. After that incoming nucleophile that is a Y minus is attacked on the platinum and you will get that is a transition state, coordination number is also 5, and after that yes that solvent molecule is loose from that transition state, you will get the substituted complex. Here you see this is the solvent pathway, solvent molecules take part in the reaction, and therefore here you know that the concentration of the solvent is a very high, and therefore change in the concentration of the solvent is a very less, and therefore that will be taken as a constant, and in first that is the yes path, here rate is independent of the change in the concentration of the solvent, and therefore only rate is depends upon the concentration of the substrate. In a second pathway, you see here incoming nucleophile directly attack on the platinum that is a metal ion, and you will get that is the TS that is the transition state which is having a 5 coordination number and 5 coordinate geometry that is the trigonal bipyramidal geometry, and you will get that is the yes X will be loose and you will get the substituted complex. Here you see I diagrammatically shown here by two pathways how the substitution in square planar complexes is takes place. Here you see in you consider here the metal is a platinum, metal is a platinum, and here others X is a leaving group, X is a leaving group or leaving ligand. Then you see this is the substrate complex that is a reactant. Then first pathway where that is solvent molecule take part in the reaction. This S means that is a solvent first attack on the central metal ion supposed to be platinum, you will get that is the TS, transition state, having coordination number is a 5. Then that complex intermediate is that is a reorganize its ligands and that forms a trigonal bipyramidal transition state, and after that leaving group will be loose, that is the X will be loose, and you will get a solvent substituted complex. This is the S means solvent, is solvent substituted complex. After that, incoming nucleophile will be attacked on the central metal ion, and you will get here square pyramidal geometrical transition state, that is the having a coordination number is also 5. Coordination number is 5, and then that intermediate complex, this is the intermediate complex, is intermediate transition state that reorganize the ligand, and that forms also that is a trigonal bipyramidal transition state, and after that the solvent molecules are loose from that intermediate, you will get the substituted product, that is the here Y is substituted in place of the X. You will get the same geometry complex, that is the here becomes a cis, यहाँ पे भी आपको cis मिलेगा, यहाँ पे trans रहेगा तो यहाँ पे भी trans मिलेगा. Then second pathway you see here, the Y is a incoming nucleophile. Y is a incoming nucleophile. Incoming ligand acts as a nucleophile. Then Y is a directly attack on the central metal ion. Then you will get here transition state. Coordination number of that transition state is 5, and geometry is a square pyramidal. After that, this will be here, that is a square pyramidal geometry that will be changed to that is the trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Reorganize that ligand, and after that X will be loose from that, here X will be loose from that complex, and you will get the substituted complex, that is the product. Then you see in both cases you will get that is the product is a stereopacific event, means from the cis you will get the product cis, trans is reactant, then product is also trans. Then here you see in a second first pathway, the first step means the attack of the solvent molecule on the metal ion is a slow step, and therefore rate is depends upon only concentration of the reactant. In the second path, here the rate of the reaction is depends upon the concentration of the reactant and incoming nucleophile, that is the ligand, incoming ligand, and therefore in a second pathway order of the reaction is a second order reaction, and for the solvent pathway order of reaction is a first order reaction, and both pathways are shows that is the associative mechanism. This is the mechanism of the substitution reaction in square planar complex. My friends, यहाँ पे ध्यान पे रखने का पहला pathway उसमें solvent take part in a reaction, and after that incoming ligand, that is a nucleophile, will be attacked on the that solvent substituted complex. You will get the substituted product. And second pathway में क्या होता है कि directly incoming nucleophile जो रहता है, incoming ligand रहता है, वो directly reactant complex है उसके ऊपर अटैक करता है, and you will get the substituted complex. पहला pathway में क्या होता है कि rate is depends upon the only concentration of the reactant complex, and therefore it is a first order kinetic. लेकिन second pathway में rate is depends upon किसके ऊपर रहता है कि concentration of the reactant complex as well as incoming nucleophile. तो second pathway में जो order of the reaction रहता है वो second order reaction रहता है. Okay, Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, then drop the message in message drop box. And if you like this video, share with your friends and press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.